Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, a game changer for all you DIY and textile printing enthusiasts out there. I'm super excited to dive into the review of the EXPLUX A4 DTF printer, packed with incredible features that are going to take your printing experience to a whole new level. From its lightning-fast speed to its Ultra HD resolution and innovative anti-clogging technology, this printer is set to revolutionize the way you create custom textiles and DIY projects. Let's start with one of the most significant advantages of the EXPLUX A4 DTF printer, the incredible ink and powder offer that comes with it. Imagine having a steady supply of 5 by 250 milliliters inks and 500 G of powder every 2 months for 24 months, just by covering the shipping costs. This offer is a total game changer for anyone serious about DTF printing, slashing your long-term printing costs and ensuring your business runs smoothly without the worry of running out of ink or powder. This is not just a cost-effective solution. It's a peace of mind guarantee that lets you focus on what matters most, creating stunning prints and growing your business. Another key feature that truly stands out is the upgraded L8058 DTF printer's advanced white ink system, designed to ensure smooth, clog-free printing. The intelligent mixing and semi-automatic cleaning system is a genius addition, preventing deposits, extending the printhead life by up to 80%, and ensuring consistent ink flow for vibrant, professional results on both light and dark fabrics. This means that whether you're printing custom t-shirts, hats, or any other textile, you'll get consistent, high-quality prints every time, without the hassle and downtime caused by clogged printheads. Now let's talk about speed and resolution, because these are areas where the EXPLUX A4 DTF printer truly shines. With the XP600 printhead, you can achieve stunning Ultra HD resolution of 2880x1440 DPI and vivid gradients with 6-color printing. But what's even more impressive is the speed. This printer can deliver A4 prints in just 3 minutes, which is twice as fast as traditional printers like the L1800. This means you can print up to 180 sheets per day, making it perfect for small to medium-sized businesses or serious hobbyists looking to produce a high volume of custom textiles quickly and efficiently. The compact design and user-friendly interface of the EXPLUX A4 DTF printer are also worth mentioning. It supports up to 8.27-inch film width and unlimited length for large projects, giving you the flexibility to work on a variety of projects, from small custom designs to large-scale textile printing. Plus, with virus-free software and free lifetime updates, you can enjoy secure and hassle-free printing without worrying about your system's security. And with 24/7 support and comprehensive warranty coverage, including a 6-month warranty on the printhead and 1-year warranty on other accessories, you're fully covered in case anything goes wrong. In conclusion, the EXPLUX A4 DTF printer is an incredible piece of technology that offers so much value to anyone looking to take their DTF printing to the next level. With its Ultra HD resolution, lightning-fast speed, advanced white ink system, and incredible ink and powder offer, it's the perfect solution for DIY enthusiasts, small businesses, and anyone looking to create stunning custom textiles with ease. So, if you're ready to unlock your full creative potential and take your printing business to new heights, find the link in the description below to get your EXPLUX A4 DTF printer today and start creating with precision, speed, and unparalleled quality.